In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. We'll walk through a simple, reliable path to get into Notion from a Google search, log in, and use Notion AI to quickly generate an organized folder structure. Then open an example so you can see how it all comes together. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Notion and press Enter. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official result titled Notion, the AI workspace that works for you. This is the trusted link that takes you straight to the Notion website. It's a good habit to double-check you're on the official domain before clicking, so you avoid any lookalike pages. Click that result to open Notion. On the Notion homepage, go to the top right corner and select Log In. If you're already signed in on this browser, Notion may take you directly into your workspace. If not, use your usual login method. Once you land in Notion, make sure you're in the workspace and on the page where you want to work. Now, let's use Notion AI to jumpstart an organized structure. Open Notion AI on the page and type this prompt exactly as shown. Create me an organized folder on the page. This tells the AI to build a neat, hierarchical setup you can expand on. Clear prompts help Notion AI understand the goal, so stay concise and direct. After you submit the prompt, give it a moment to generate. You should see a structured layout appear, with logical sections and sub-items that you can later adapt to your needs. To see a ready-made reference, click on the page titled Organized Folder Structure. Example. This example showcases how a clean, well-labeled structure might look when it's put together. Use it to get a feel for the hierarchy, naming conventions, and how sections nest under one another. It's a helpful visual guide, especially if you're deciding how to group related work, documents, or resources. That's the full flow. Search for Notion on Google, open the official Notion site, log in, ask Notion AI to create an organized folder on your page, and then review the organized folder structure example to understand how everything fits. With this approach, you move from idea to structure in minutes, and you have a clear model to reference as you organize your workspace. Thanks for following along, and feel free to replay any section if you want to see the timing or clicks again as you set up your own structure.